Everyone, it's Georgie. I'm about to do a walk around tour of the Victory Kahlo. Make sure you watch this video till the end because you will be amazed. Imagine owning your very own luxury escape. This is the brand new Victory Kahlo and it's priced at just £99,995, which is under Victory's recommended retail price, which makes this incredible value for such a high-end holiday home. So as you step inside, you're instantly welcomed by a stylish open plan layout, which is designed for both comfort and also entertaining. So the space feels bright, modern and effortlessly elegant, more like a high-end apartment, I'd say, than a static caravan. And then you look outside. From your decking, and what an enormous decking that is, you're overlooking a gorgeous fully stocked fishing lake. It's the kind of view that instantly helps you to switch off, unwind and breathe. This holiday home is ideal for anyone that's looking for more than just a getaway. It's about a lifestyle. A real sense of community awaits you here, with a welcoming clubhouse that brings everyone together through our bingo nights, game nights, and then regular entertainment. And if you're a keen fisherman, you may never want to leave. With fishing matches that take place most weekends, there's always something to get involved in. The park is open for 9 months of the year, so this could be your perfect escape. A place to relax, recharge and truly disconnect from the stresses of everyday life. Because at the end of the day, it's about making memories with the ones that really matter to us. So why not step away from the rat race and start living your life? So I'm Georgie. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have, I would really appreciate if you would like and share the video with your friends and family. And I'd also like a bit of feedback. So I have no idea what you guys think about my videos unless you tell me. I also have no idea who's watching. So if you'd like to pop up to say hello and also give me some feedback, some comments on what you can see and what your thoughts are. My number is at the top of the page, so if you'd like me to help you find your perfect holiday home on your perfect park on the Lincolnshire East Coast, please give me a call. I'll be really happy to help. Thank you.